Hello everyone, welcome to my UPSC. Today we are going to discuss UPSC IAS एग्ज़ाम प्रीलिम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्व MCQs लास्ट 20 to 25 ईयर्स। जो लास्ट 20 to 25 ईयर्स में एंशियंट हिस्ट्री पोर्शन से जो क्वेश्चंस आए हैं सिविल सर्विसेज प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन में वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। इनका इम्पोर्टेंस इतना है कि यूपीएससी एग्जाम्स में जो प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम है उसमें रिपीटेडली क्वेश्चन आते हैं। एंशियंट है, मिडाइवल है, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री है, इनके क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा चेंज करके और पूछ लिए जाते हैं। अगर आपने प्रीवियस ईयर के MCQ सॉल्व कर रखे हैं तो आप 10 to 15% पेपर आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं सिविल सर्विसेज प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन में। सो these are very important. Let's begin. Question number first. The word Hindu as reference to the people of Hind, India was first used by. So the word Hindu as a reference to the people of Hind or India was first used by the Arabs. Actually, India is a corruption of the word Sindhu, and Sindhu is the name of the Indus River mentioned in the Rig Veda. The neighboring Arabs, Iranians, Persians, they uttered S as H एंड कॉल्ड दिस लैंड हिंदू। सिंधु को वो हिंदू बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो एस को एच बोलते हैं। ग्रीक्स प्रोनाउंस्ड दिस नेम एज इंडस, दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट टाइम अरब और पार्सियन यूज द वर्ड हिंदू। वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द ब्रह्मवादिनी हु कंपोज्ड सम हाइम्स ऑफ द वेदाज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज लोपामुद्रा। आपको ये जो अदर ब्रह्मवादिनीज हैं उनके भी नाम पता होने चाहिए वेदाज में जो, एंड द अदर ब्रह्मवादिनीज आर विश्ववरा, सिक्ता, निवावरी, घोष, मैत्रेयी, ये अदर ब्रह्मवादिनीज हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, मैच द लिस्ट फर्स्ट टू सेकेंड। फर्स्ट लिस्ट इज विक्रमरा, साकरा, गुप्तारा, कालियरा। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज विक्रमरा। विक्रमरा इज 248 AD. दिस इज विक्रमरा। Shakara is 78 AD. Guptara 320 AD, and the Kaliyara is this one first. So D is the correct answer. Vikram era was started by King Vikramaditya. Shakara was started by Kanishk. Gupta era was started by Chandragupta first. Okay. And 248 AD is a Kalachuri era. तो ये आपको पता होने चाहिए। In Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period, women and Shudras speak Prakrit. The name by which Ashoka is generally referred to his inscription is. In the year 1915, near a village called Mashki in Raichur district of Karnataka, a rock inscription was discovered on a hill. In this inscription, for the first time, the name of Ashoka was found with title like Devanam Priya and Priyadarshi. Okay, so Devanam Priya and Priyadarshi. It was then certain that Devanam Priya Priyadarshi was no other than Ashoka. So the correct answer is D. This one, Priyadarshi. The term Yavanapriya mentioned in ancient Sanskrit texts denotes Yavanas were actually Indo-Greeks. They are Indo-Greeks. And what they like? They like peeper. That is why peeper was known as Yavanpriya. So the correct answer is peeper. Because they like peeper. Seventh one. The concept of Anuvrata was advocated by. Who advocated the concept of Anuvrata? Jainism advocated the concept of Anuvrata. Anuvrata was the five main teachings of Jainism. And what are these five main teachings? Ahimsa, Satya, Aparigraha, Satya, Brahmacharya. These are the Anuvrata in Jainism. According to Mimamsa system of philosophy, liberation is possible by mean by. Liberation. So the correct answer is D. Karma. Mimamsa means investigation or enquiry. The primary inquiry is into nature of dharma based on close theology of the Vedas. It has two divisions, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. The Purva Mimamsa explains the dharma as a virtue, morality or duty. Dharma is the essentiality, ritualism, and there is a great significance of the karma or action in attaining dharma. Okay, so doctrine of karma. System of philosophy, liberation is possible by karma. Bronze icon of Nataraja cast during the Chola period invariably show the deity with. Four-handed bronze icon of Nataraja is the finest example of Chola sculpture. So, which one is the correct answer? Forehand. Next, according to ancient Indian cosmogonic ideas, the sequential order of the cycle of four yugas is: a complete yuga start with the Satyug, then Treta Yuga, then Dwapar Yuga, and then Kali Yuga. If you want to remember, then you can remember STDK: Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, and Kali Yuga. This one is the right answer. Actually, Satyug and Krita Yuga is same. Which one of the following temples figured in the news regarding the institution of the Devdasi. Devdasi is a girl dedicated to worship and service of a deity or a temple for the rest of her life. They were considered the human wife of Lord Jagannatha. So, which one is the correct answer? A. The river most mentioned in early Vedic literature is Sindhu. Sapt Sindhu plays a prominent part in the hymns of the Rig Veda and consequently in early Vedic religions also. Which one of the following is not a part of early Jain literature? Early Jain literature. Tharigatta was a part of Buddhist literature actually. This one. Other are a part of Jain literature. Which of the following were common to both Buddhism and Jainism? Buddhism and Jainism. Avoidance of extremities of finance and enjoyment. No, this is not common. Indifference to the authority of the Vedas. Yes, this is common. Denial of efficacy of rituals. Yes, this is also common both for both. Non-injury to animal life. Yes, this is also common. So B is the right answer. In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? अदर थ्री कैटेगरी से बिलोंग नहीं करता है. एक्चुअली दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कोसा वाज यूज्ड फॉर ट्रेजरी एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ अदर थ्री टर्म्स वर रिलेटेड टू फैमिली. कुल, यमसा, गोत्रा, these are associated with family, but the kosha, kosh, this is related to treasury. Who among the following is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta period? सुश्रु संहिता का आपने नाम सुना होगा. सुश्रुता संहिता was written by Sushruta. He was said to have been the best surgeon during the Gupta period. सुश्रुता का आपने सुना होगा. नहीं सुना है तो आप इसके बारे में जरूर पढ़ना. Which one of the following sculptures was invariably used green schist as the medium? Bharut Stup may have been established by the Mauryan king Ashoka in around 3rd century BC, but many works for art were apparently added during the Sunga period. So this one is the correct answer. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. Correct, which one is correct? So Visakha Dutt is associated with drama. Brahma Mahira is with mathematics. Charkavij with medicine and Brahmagupta with astronomy. So this one is the third one is the correct answer. Which one of the following texts of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? Arthashastra was written by Kautilya, and in the book of Arthashastra by Kautilya, in this book, moksha have been used for divorce. Moksha, moksha have been used for divorce. This one is the right answer. Match the list first with second. Gupta is associated with Devgarh. Chandelas are associated with Panamalai. Chalukya is associated with Badami, and Pallav Khajuraho. देखो, गुप्ताज आर एसोसिएटेड विथ, वन सेकेंड, Gupta are associated with this one, Chandela with Khajuraho, Chalukya with Badami, and Pallav with Pannamalai. First one is the correct answer. Which one of the following statements regarding Ashoka stone pillars is incorrect? ये जो आगे ईयर लिख रखी है, ये आईएएस प्रीलिम्स का किस ईयर में क्वेश्चन आया है उसकी ईयर है. So which one of the following statements regarding Ashoka stone pillars is incorrect? These are part of architectural structures. This one is incorrect. Ashoka stone pillars were meant to spread his dhamma, not the part of architecture. Which one of the following scripts of ancient India was written from right to left? Right to left. This one, Kanopanishad. Kharosthi script was deciphered by James Prinsep around 1800 to 1840 using the bilingual coins of the Indo-Greek period. This is in turn led to the reading of the edicts of Ashoka, some of which from the northwest of the Asian subcontinent were written in Kharosthi script. Kharosthi script is Kanopanishad. This one is the right answer. This is next question. Kharosthi script. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the. This is mentioned in Kathopanishad. This one is incorrect. Third one is the right answer. ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, नचिकेता और यम का, कठोपनिषद. ये थोड़ा सा कहीं मिसप्रिंट हो गया है, इसको छोड़ देते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन 25 की बात करते हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एडिक्ट्स मेंशंस द पर्सनल नेम ऑफ अशोका? पर्सनल नेम ऑफ अशोका, मस्की, गुर्जरा, नेतूर, उद्देगोलाम. These inscriptions mention the personal name of Ashoka. So the correct answer is Musky. D. The following map shows 4 of the 16 Mahajanpad that existed in ancient India. So ये मैप है, इसमें आपको ABCD 4 दे रखे हैं कि यहाँ पे कौन सा महाजनपद है. B1 इज विच वन इज C D, ऐसे चारों के बताने हैं। और इधर ऑप्शन है इनके, यहाँ पे ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। आप देख लेना मैप में एक बार, ये थोड़ा सा अटक गया भाई। द सिल्वर कोइंस यूज्ड बाय द गुप्ताज वर कॉल्ड, गुप्ता पीरियड में जो सिल्वर कोइन यूज किए थे उनको क्या बोला जाता है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस वन, रूपका। मैच लिस्ट फर्स्ट एंड लिस्ट सेकंड एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो। लिस्ट फर्स्ट सेकंड। ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं इसका ये MCQs की जो PDF है ये आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा इसका लिंक, वहाँ से जाके आप PDF डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन यहाँ साफ नहीं दिख रहा है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ सिर्फ आपको आंसर के लिए बता रहा हूँ, बाकी PDF आपको इसके नीचे लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिल जाएगा। ऑथर एंड टेक्स्ट। Brahmamihira is associated with Maricha Kattikam, this one. So, and Visakha Dutt is associated with Devi Chandraguptam. So, this one is the right answer. Which one of the following was a कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ मर्चेंट्स इन एंशियंट इंडिया? एंशियंट इंडिया के टाइम पे जो मर्चेंट्स थे उनको कॉरपोरेशन को क्या बोला जाता था? सो दैट इज मनीग्रामन, दिस वन। मनीग्रामम वाज ए लार्ज इन्फ्लुएंशियल guild of South Indian merchants during the period of Western Chalukyan in 10th 12th century CE. The Badami rock inscription of Pulkeshin first is dated in the Shak era 460 year 465. If the same were to be dated in Vikram Samvat, the year would be. Actually, the Shak era started in 78 AD. Shak era. While Vikram era started from 58 BC. So if we want to convert Badami rock inscription of Pulkeshin first to Vikram era, it will be 465 plus 78 plus 601. Vikram Samvat. Many of the Greeks, Kushans and Shaks embraced Buddhism rather than Hinduism. हिंदुइज्म के बजाय उन्होंने बुद्धिज्म को। So why, what was the reason? And the reason is this one. Caste ridden Hinduism did not attract them. क्योंकि हिंदुइज्म है उसमें कास्ट काफ़ी थे, वो उनको अट्रैक्ट नहीं किया, जबकि बुद्धिज्म में कास्ट सिस्टम नहीं है। अशोका मेजर रॉक एडिक्ट्स which tell us about the Shangam kingdom include rock edicts. This one is the correct answer. Which of the following pair are correctly matched? This one is incorrect. Buddhacharita and Vashuvandhu, this one is correct. Mudraksha and Vishaka Dutt. Mudra Rakshas and Vishaka Dutt, this one is also correct. Harsh Charitra and Banvat, this one is incorrect. So second and third are correct one. Actually, Buddha Charita was written by Aswaghosh. which which is the correct chronological order in which the following appeared in India? In India, Indus Valley civilization appeared the first sign of urbanization between 25 to 2500 BCE to 200 BCE, 2000 BCE. According to researchers, it is a hard fact that the earliest known specimen of Iran plugshare comes from Ghanwaria in district Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh and dates from 700 BCE. The first documented coinage is deemed to start with Panchmark, coin issued between 7th and 6th century BC and 1st century AD. It was the Indo-Greeks who ruled a large part of northwestern India around 200 BC, or 200 BC means around 2200 years ago. हम 200 BC की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप निकाल लेना उस कैलकुलेशन से, अराउंड 200 BC में हो जाएगा अराउंड इतना ईयर अगो. Therefore, according to the question, the correct chronological order of the event appeared in India is: first one is urban culture, then Iran, then Punch, and then gold coin. 4321 is the correct answer. According to Ashoka's edict, social harmony among the people was more important than religious devotion. Why? The reason: he spread ideas of equity instead of promotion of religions. So this one is the correct. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Lothal in ancient dockyard. Okay, this one is correct. Sarnath, this first Sherman of Buddha, this one is also correct. Rajgir, loin capital of Ashoka, this one is incorrect. Nalanda, great seat of Buddhist learning, this one is correct. So first, second and fourth, this one is the correct answer. Loin capital of Ashoka is in Sarnath, not Rajgir. The loin capital of Ashoka is in Sarnath, राजगीर में नहीं है. Which one of the following ancient Indian records is the earliest royal order to preserve food grains to be utilized during the crisis in the country? The earliest known copper plate called Sogora is a Maurya record that mentions famine relief efforts. It is one of the very few pre-Ashoka Brahmi inscriptions in India. So this one is the correct answer. The concept of eightfold path forms the theme of eightfold path. The Noble Eightfold Path is one of the principal teachings of Buddha. This one is the principal teachings of Buddhism, and the concept is who described it as the way leading to the cessation of the suffering and attainment of self awakening. So this one is the correct answer. धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तन सूत्र. ये फिर से एक मैप दे रखा है. ये किससे रिलेटेड है? मैप जो दे रखा है, इट इज एसोसिएटेड विथ अरेबियन सी, बे ऑफ बंगाल, इंडियन ओशियन, और ये लाइनिंग. ये एक्चुअली जो मैप है ये किसी का रीजन है. ये यहाँ इतने एरिया में किसने रूल किया है, इस तरीके से पूछ रहा है ये. एंड इस मैप को देखोगे तो इतना सिर्फ अशोका ने किया है टुवर्ड्स क्लोज ऑफ हिज रियल. अशोका ने लगभग सभी जगह रूल किया है. दैट्स वाई ही इज नोन एज द ग्रेट अशोका. अशोका द ग्रेट. And who was the great Ashoka? He was an Indian emperor of the Mauryan dynasty who ruled over the Indian subcontinent from. अशोका ने कब रूल किया है? 269 BC to 232 BC. और कहाँ से कहाँ तक किया? एक्चुअली हिज एम्पायर स्ट्रेच्ड फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान इन द वेस्ट टू द प्रेजेंट डे बांग्लादेश एंड द इंडियन स्टेट ऑफ आसाम इन द ईस्ट एंड फार साउथ एज नदर्न केरला एंड आंध्रा. अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, ये सब जगह अशोका का रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन. फ्रॉम द 3rd century AD when the Hun invasion ended the Roman Empire, the Indian merchants relied more and more on the. So option is there. Actually, after the 3rd century AD, Roman Empire come to an end. Indian merchants, meanwhile, had begun to rely more heavily on the Southeast Asian trade. जो इंडियन मर्चेंट है वो साउथ ईस्ट एशियन ट्रेड पे ज़्यादा रिलाई करने लगे. फॉलोइंग पर्सन केम टू इंडिया एट वन टाइम और अनदर. सो one time or another. अच्छा, the correct chronological sequence. So the correct chronological sequence is Fayan, Aishin, Megasthenes, Hyangsang. This one is the correct answer. Because Megasthenes come in 302 to 298 BC and Fayan 4052 411 CE. अब आपको CE, BC, BCE, AD ये मालूम होने चाहिए. आप यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. Which one of the following was initially the most powerful city-state of India in the 6th century BC? 6th century BC. One of the 16 Mahajanpada, Magad, Kosala, Vatsa and Avanti were more powerful. They fought amongst themselves for years and ultimately Magad emerged victorious under Bimbisara. Haranyak dynasty in 6th century BC. So our correct answer is Magadha. And who was the ruler? Bimbisara. इसको याद रखना. The Indo-Laj kingdom set up in North Afghanistan in the beginning of the 2nd century BC was Bactria. The term Aryan denotes. Aryan is in fact a linguistic term indicating a speech group of Indo-European origin and is not an ethnic term. It is not an ethnic term, it is linguistic term for Indo-European origin. Which one of the following ports handled the North Indian trade during the Gupta period? Gupta period. So this one was the main trade port, Tamralipatti, and this Tamralipatta or Tamralipatti was the name of an ancient city on the Bay of Bengal corresponding with तामलुक इन मॉडर्न डे इंडिया. जो तामलुक डायनेस्टी का नाम सुना होगा या आपने तामलुक का नाम सुना होगा जगह. ताम्रालिपत्ता may have been one of the most important urban centers of the trade and commerce of early historic India, trading along the Silk Road with China by Uttarpat, the North High Road, the main trade route in the Middle East and Europe, and by seafaring routes to Bali, Java and the Far East also. The Aham and Puram poems of the Pedinan Kilukanakku group formed a continuation of the Sangam composition. They were included under the post-Sangam works as against the Sangam works proper. So this one is the correct answer. Because the work of Sangam period are called Kilukanakku. And what is this Kilukanakku? It is a 18 minor groups. 18 minor groups are known as Kilukanakku, consisting of Tirukural and Naladiyar. The Aham and Puram poems of the Kilukanakku group were composed in post-Sangam period. That's why R explains A very well. The emphasis of Jainism or non-violence, ahimsa, prevented agriculturalists from embracing Jainism. Cultivation involved killing of insects and pests. So this one is the correct answer. The origin of feudal system in ancient India can be traced to military campaigns. Reason is there was considerable expansion of the feudal system during the Gupta period. Both the statements are true actually, but do not explain each other. Next one. Ashoka annexed Kalinga to the Mauryan Empire. Yes. Kalinga controlled the land and sea routes to South India. Ashoka annexed Kalinga to the Mauryan Empire in 261 BC. 261 BC में he annexed to Kalinga. Kalinga controlled the land and sea route to South India. Ashoka abandoned the policy of physical occupation in favor of policy of cultural conquest after the Kalinga War. Yet he retained Kalinga after its conquest and incorporated it into his empire. These are explains A. The practice of military governorship was first introduced in India by the Greeks. First introduced military governorship in India. They appointed their governors called strategos. So correct answer is Greeks. Which one of the following dynasties was ruling over North India at the time of Alexander's invasion? Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. 326 BC अलेक्जेंडर इन्वेडेड, सिकंदर ने राज किया, वो है ये. एंड द क्रोनोलॉजिकल order of these four dynasties was Nalanda, Maurya, Sunga and Kanauj. That's why Nanda is the correct answer. नॉर्थ इंडिया में नंदा डायनेस्टी का रूल था. होयशाला monuments are found in. Hoysala monuments are found in. The capital of the Hoysala was initially located at Belur but was later moved to Helibith. So this one is the correct answer. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? The painted grey ware belong to later Vedic period. Ajanta paintings belong to Gupta period. Pahadi school came into existence during Mughal period. So this one is the correct answer. Harshvardhan convened the Prayag assembly. He moved to popularize only the Mahayana form of Buddhism. To popularize the Mahayana form of Buddhism, Harshvardhana convened an assembly at Kannauj. The Prayag assembly was convened to popularize himself. So the correct answer is B. Both are correct, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Which one of the Chola kings conquered Ceylon? In 1017, Rajendra conquered Ceylon. And what is this Ceylon? This is Sri Lanka. Earlier, Rajaraja first conquered only half of it. Rajaraja first conquered half of it. Pele. So the correct answer is third one, Rajendra. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishk at Kashmir? Vasumitra and Ashwaghosh together presided over the fourth council. In this council, Buddhists were divided into Mahayana and Hinayan. So this council was very important council which was held in Kashmir, and the correct answer is this one, वासुमित्र एंड अश्वघोष. ये दोनों ने टुगेदर साथ में प्रेसाइड किया था इसको. Which one of the following animals was not represented seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture? Cow, camel, horse and lion were not depicted on seals. Cow, camel, horse and lion. Unicorn or bull was the animal most commonly represented on the seals. So the correct answer is this one. Match the list 1 with list second. Ancient site and archaeological findings. Lothal. Lothal is a dockyard. Kalibanga. Kalibanga is a plugged field. Dholavira. Dholavira is an inscription sign of Harappan script. Banavli. Banavli is a this one terracotta replica of plugs. So B is the correct answer. Which one of the following statements is not correct? The statue of Gomteshwar at Shravana Belagola represents the last तीर्थंकर of Jains. और ऊपर से देखते हैं बाकी के क्या स्टेटमेंट्स है इसका. India's largest Buddhist monastery is in Arunachal Pradesh. Khajuraho temples were built under Chandela kings. Hoshalawar temple is dedicated to Shiva. So the statue of Gomteshwara was built in difference to Jain deity Bahubali. It does not represent last Tirthankar of Jains. India's largest Buddhist monastery is Tawang Monastery located in Arunachal Pradesh. It is the second largest in the world after the Potala place in Lhasa, Tibet. तिब्बत के बाद में ये सेकेंड वन है वर्ल्ड में, लेकिन इंडिया का सबसे लार्ज है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. In ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony called Pavarana used to be held. It was the Pavarana. Actually, the Pavarana is a Buddhist holiday celebrated on the full moon of the 11th lunar month. Pavarana. It marked the end of the month of Vasha, sometimes called Buddhist Lent. This day marks the end of the rainy season in some Asian countries like Thailand. On this day, each monk, bhikshu, must come before the community of monks and atone for an offense he may have committed during the Vasha. इस महीने में किसी ने कुछ किया है तो उसको कमिट करते हैं आके, ऐसा इसमें है. सो कन्फेशन है. जो ये पावराना सेरेमनी होती है इसमें क्या होता है, कन्फेशन होता है बाय मॉन्क्स ऑफ देयर ऑफेंस कमिटेड ड्यूरिंग देयर स्टे इन दिस सीजन. The ancient Indian play Mudrakshasa of Vishakha Dutt has its subject on Mudra Rakshas. The Mudra Rakshas, or actually it is also called the signet of the minister. ये historical play in Sanskrit by Vishakha Dutt. In around 4th century CE, it narrates the ascent of the king Chandragupta Maurya to power in northern India. So the correct answer is the court intrigues at the time of Chandragupta. Emperor Harsha's southward march was stopped on the Narabda river by. जो हर्षा था एम्परर, उसका साउथ की साइड जो मार्च था उसको नर्मदा रिवर पे किसने रोक लिया था? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस वन. Actually, Emperor Harsha's southward march was stopped by stopped on the Narabda river by Pulkesin II. And who was the Pulkesin II? The Chalukya king of Vatapi in northern Mysore. He was the Chalukya king. Next one. Consider the following statement. The Cholas defeated Pandya and Chera rulers and established their domination over peninsular India in the early medieval times. The Cholas sent an expedition against Sailendra Empire of Southeast Asia and conquered some of the areas. Which of these statements are correct one? So both these statements are correct one, because Chola kingdom of the Sangam period extended from modern Tiruchi district of southern Andhra Pradesh. Their capital was first located at Urayur and then shifted to Puhar. Karikala was a famous king of the Sangam Cholas. Pattinapalai portrays his early life and his military conquests. In the Battle of Veni, he defeated the mighty confederacy consisting of the Cheras, Pandyas, and 11 minor others. The Chola emperor launched a successful naval expedition against the Sailendra kingdom. So both these statements are correct one. Mrichkatika. Mrichkatika is an ancient Indian book written by Shudra, deals with, and this book deals with actually the clay court. So the love affairs of a rich merchant with the daughter of a courtesan. This is this is a Sanskrit play and written by Shudra in 2nd BC. It is about a young man named Charudat and his love for Basanta Sena, a rich courtesan. Consider the following statements. Vardhaman Mahavira's mother was the daughter of Lichhavi chief Chetaka. Gautama Buddha's mother was a princess from the Koshalan dynasty. Parshvantha, the 23rd Tirthankar, belonged to Benares. Actually, this statement is incorrect. Both these statements are correct one, because Vardhaman Mahavira's mother Trishala was the sister, not daughter of Lichhavi chief Chetaka. He was the sister, not daughter. Consider the following statements. The Chinese pilgrim Faiyan attended the fourth great Buddhist council held by Kanishk. The Chinese pilgrim Hongsang met Harsha and found him to be antagonistic to Buddhism. Hongsang or Faiyan? Actually, this statement is incorrect, and this statement is also incorrect. Statement first is incorrect because as fourth Buddhist council was held in Kashmir during the reign of Kanishka under the presidency of Vasumitra and Ashwaghosh. I already told you. Fayan visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II and not during Kanishka reign. Statement 2 is also incorrect because as Harsha was not antagonistic to Buddhism when Hangsang met him. D is the correct answer. With reference to ancient Jainism, which one of the following statements is correct? Jainism. This one is the correct answer. Which one of the following four Vedas contains an account of magical charms and spells? Magical charms and spells are in Atharvaveda. Who among the following was not a contemporary of the other three? This one is not a contemporary of other three because Bimbisara belonged to the Haranic dynasty. Magad Empire come into prominence under him. He was a contemporary of the Buddha. He strengthened his position by marriage alliances. His first wife was the sister of Prasanjit. Who was the Prasanjit? He was the son of the king of Kosala, who was also contemporary of the Buddha. So this one is not contemporary of these three. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? Danti Durga, a feudatory of Chalukya, founded the Rashtrakuta Empire in 753 CE with their capital at Manyakhet. So this one is the right answer. Between which of the following was the ancient town of Taxila located? Sorry. Taxila. Indus and Jhelum. Sindhu was the old name of river Indus and Vitasta was the old name of river Jhelum. In present time, Taxila situated in Pakistan. With reference to the invaders in ancient India, which one of the following is the correct chronological order? Invaders in ancient India. Greeks, Sacs, and then Kusans. Alexander, Sacs, and Kusans. Greeks in 326 BC, then 90 BC, and Kusans in 45 CE. Consider the following statements. The Ikshvaku ruler of the southern India were antagonistic towards Buddhism. The Pala ruler of eastern India were patrons of Buddhism. Which one is the correct one? Statement first is actually incorrect because most of the inscriptions of the Andhra Ikshvaku period record either the construction of Buddhism viharas or the gift made to them, which shows that the Ikshvaku ruler of the southern India were supporters of Buddhism. This one is correct one. The Allahabad pillar inscription is associated with which one of the following? Allahabad inscription is associated with Samudragupta. It was written by Samudragupta's court poet Harisena. What does Bodhayan theorem Bodhayan Sulva Sutras relates to? These are relates to length of side of a right angled triangle, and it was written by Samudragupta's court poet. No. This one is same as the Pythagoras theorem also. It was mixed. So the length of side of a right angled triangle. It is related with. This is look like same as the Pythagoras theorem actually. Anekantvad is a core theory and philosophy of which of one of the following? Anekantvad. The Jain metaphysics is realistic and relativistic pluralism. It is called Anekantvada or the doctrine of reality or means of reality, menace of reality. Matter and spirit are regarded as separate and independent realities. That's why B is the correct answer. There are only two known examples of cave paintings of the Gupta period in ancient India. One of these is paintings of Ajanta caves. Where is the other surviving example of Gupta paintings? So the other examples of Gupta paintings are Bagh cave. Bagh cave. This is the correct answer. A copper plate inscription of Maharaja Subhandhu recording his donation for the repair of the vihara was found at the site of cave 2. The date of the Bagh inscription is missing. The Badwani copper plate inscription is dated in the year around Gupta era. India maintained its early cultural contacts and trade links with Southeast Asia across the Bay of Bengal. For this preeminence of early maritime history of Bay of Bengal, which of the following could be the most convincing explanations? So this one is the correct answer. The Jain philosophy holds that the world is created and maintained by. So Jain does not support belief in a creator deity. According to the Jain doctrine, the universe and its constituents. And what are the constituents? Soul, matter, space, time, and motion have always existed. All the constituents and actions are governed by universal natural law. This one is the Jain philosophy. Regarding the Indus Valley civilization, consider the following statement. It was predominantly a secular civilization, and the religious element, the present, did not dominate the scene. During this period, cotton was used for manufacturing textiles in India. So both these statements are correct. The Dharma and Rita depicts a central idea of ancient Vedic civilization of India. In this context, consider the following statements. Dharma was a conception of obligations and of the discharge of one's duties to oneself and to others. Rita was the fundamental moral law governing the functioning of the universe and all its content. So both these statements are also correct one. With reference to the history of ancient India, which of the following was common to both Buddhism and Jainism? ये क्वेश्चन हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं, तो आपको पता चल गया होगा कि यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी होते हैं ओल्ड पेपर से, पुराने पेपर से। ये हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस वन। The Nagara, the Dravida, and the Vaishara are the, what are these three? These are the main styles of Indian temple architecture. Indian temple architecture. Third one is the correct answer. Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with the hand gesture called Bhumi Spars Mudra. What this gesture symbolize? Bhumi Spars Mudra symbolize this one. Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptation of Mara. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of worship of nature and yajnas. With reference to the guilds Sreni of ancient India that played a very important role in the country's economy, which of the following statement is correct one? So this statement is correct one, because this is incorrect and both these are correct one. The wages, rules of work, standards and prices were fixed by the guilds. Some Buddhist rock cut caves are called chaityas, while the others are called viharas. What is the difference between these two? So नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट्स देखते हैं इसके। चैत्य और विहारा में क्या डिफरेंस है? This one is the correct answer. Chaitya is a place of worship, while vihara is the dwelling place of monks. Chaitya refers to the hall enclosing the stupas. Chaityas were probably constructed to hold a large number of devotees for prayers, while viharas on the other hand are construction built in ancient India in order to provide resting places for the Buddhist monks. With reference to the history of philosophical thoughts in India, consider the following statements regarding Sankhya school. Sankhya school, this one is incorrect and this one is the correct answer. आपको इसका PDF का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप डाउनलोड कर लेना वहाँ से। Which one of the following describes best the concept of nirvana in Buddhism? The extinction of the flame of desire. Which of the following characterize the people of Indus civilization? So which one is characterizes the people of Indus Valley civilization? Indus Valley civilization, this one is incorrect. This one is correct and this one is incorrect. Which of the following statement is are applicable to Jain doctrine? ये जो प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन हैं, अगर आपने इनको अच्छे से कर लिया तो एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में आप काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन वो ही पूछे जाएंगे। इसका जो स्टेटमेंट है, किसी क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाएगा, कोई क्वेश्चन है उसके आंसर के साथ मैच करके स्टेटमेंट बना दिया जाएगा। द way of annihilating karma is to practice penance. This one is correct. Every object, even the smallest particles, has a soul. This one is also correct. Karma is the bane of the soul and must be ended. This one is also correct one. With reference to the history of Indian rock cut architecture, consider the following statement. This one is incorrect. This one is also incorrect. This one is correct. So the correct answer is this one. The Chinese traveler Yuan Chuang या Hang Sang, who visited India, recorded the general conditions and culture of India at the time. In this context, which of the following statement is correct? So this is the right answer. Consider the following historical places: Ajanta Caves, Lepaksi Temple, Sanchi Stup. Which of the above places are also known for mural paintings? Mural paintings, Ajanta Caves and Lepaksi temples are famous for mural painting. Ajanta Caves have mural paintings in cave 1, 2 and 16, 17. Some of the paintings were commissioned by Harishan of Vaktaka dynasty. Vakataka dynasty. The theme of the paintings was Jatak tale. Lepakshi temple is renowned for being one of the best repositories of mural paintings of the Vijayanagar kings. Sanchi Stupa has many beautiful sculptures but not mural paintings. This is associated with sculpture, beautiful sculpture but not mural painting. 99. Correctly matched. So this one is correctly matched. Huge image of Vraha avatar, ये Mount Abu is incorrect. Arjuna's Mamalapuram, this one is correct. So third one is the right answer. Next one. With reference to Buddhist history, tradition and culture in India, consider the following pairs: famous serene or location. This one is correct one, Spiti Valley. This one is incorrect. This one is correct. Actually, Tabu Monastery and Temple Complex is in Spiti Valley, and Alchi Temple Complex is in Ladakh. Lotsawa Lakhang Nako is in Himachal Pradesh, and Janskar Valley is in Jammu and Kashmir. The national motto of India, Satyamev Jayate, is inscribed below the emblem of India is taken from. The word Satyamev Jayate came from Mundaka Upanishad, meaning truth alone triumphs. This one is the correct answer. Which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha? So, Buddha born in Lumbini in Koshala kingdom. Buddha died in Kushinara in Magad kingdom. Avanti lay outside the area visited by Buddha and was converted to his teaching by his disciple Mahakana. Gandhara is western part of Pakistan and Afghanistan, and Buddha never went to Pakistan. So Buddha never went to Pakistan, that's why C is the correct answer. Third and fourth. Koshala and Magadha. With reference to art and archaeological history of India, which one among the following was made earliest? So this one is the correct answer. Which one of the following books of ancient India has the love story of the son of the founder of Sunga dynasty? You heard, I hope, the name Malvika Agnimitra. Malvika Agnimitra is a Sanskrit play by Kalidas. The play tells the love story of Agnimitra, the Sung emperor. He falls in love with the picture of an exiled servant girl named Malvika. Who wrote this? By Kalidas. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statements. This one is incorrect. The painting of Bodhisattva Padmapani is one of the most famous and oft illustrated paintings at. If you read, देखिए एक चीज़ है कि आपको जो ओल्ड टॉपर्स हैं, जो पुराने टाइम के टॉपर्स हैं, वो कहेंगे कि आपको ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी पढ़ी। ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी इज नॉन फॉर डेट्स, ट्रेटीज एटसेट्रा। लेकिन अभी जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है यूपीएससी में, उसमें डेट्स, ट्रेटीज, ये डे, ये सब नहीं पूछा जाता है। इसलिए ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी के बजाय आपको न्यू एनसीईआरटी पे मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा, उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करें। और ये क्वेश्चन न्यू एनसीईआरटी से है, दैट्स व्हाई आई रिकमेंड न्यू एनसीईआरटी, क्योंकि अभी जो ट्रेंड आ रहे हैं न्यू एनसीईआरटी के ही आ रहे हैं। दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Which of the following is are famous for sun temples? Sun temple, Arasavalli, Amrakantak, Omkareshwar. Amrasavalli, Amarkantak or Omkareshwar. So Andhra Pradesh state government website says Arasavalli in Srikakulam district as Sun Temple. So first is right. Who said it? Andhra Pradesh state government website. Sri Omkareshwar temple in Mysore is for Lord Shiva and it is not a sun temple. Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh has temples but not any sun temples. With reference to the difference between the culture of Rigvedic Aryans and Indus Valley people, which of the following statements are correct? ये भी न्यू एनसीईआरटी से क्वेश्चन है, आपने पढ़ा हो तो। न्यू एनसीईआरटी में क्लास 12th की जो न्यू एनसीईआरटी है उसके चैप्टर फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन है ये। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस वन। Which one of the following was a very important seaport in the Kaktiya kingdom? Kaktiya kingdom में academic books on medieval history mention that Ganpati was the most powerful of Kaktiya sovereigns. Motupalli, now in Krishna district, was an important seaport in his kingdom, frequented by foreign merchants. So B is the answer. Motupalli. With reference to the religious practices in India, the Sthanakvasi sect belongs to. This is belongs to Jainism. Sthanakvasi don't differ much from the other Shwetambar Jains, hence nowadays they invariably call themselves as Shwetambar Sthanakvasi. With reference to Indian history, who among the following is a future Buddha yet to come to save the world? Maitreya is the future Buddha, whose coming was said to have been prophesied by the historical Buddha and who in year to comes would purify the world with his teachings. Let's alone learn about the wrong options. Okay. Consider the following pairs: craft versus heritage of. Craft and heritage. Correct one is this one is correct. Sujni embroidery. Actually, Sujni embroidery is in Bihar, not in Maharashtra. It is in Bihar. Upda Jamdani saris. These Jamdani saris belongs to Andhra Pradesh, not Karnataka. First one is correct. These embroidery Bihar and these saris belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Consider the following pairs of tradition versus state. This one is correct one. This one is also correct one. Thangta dance is incorrect. It is not in Sikkim. Thangta is the exclusive martial dance form of Manipur, not Sikkim. So the correct answer is this one. Which one of the following is not a Harappan site? So this one is not a Harappan site. Actually, it is a copper plate. Name of copper plate. In which of the following relief sculpture inscription is Ranyo Asoka, King Asoka, mentioned along with the stone portrait of Asoka? This one is the right answer. Kangnahali. Kangnahali is the right answer. In 1993, a team of archaeologists surveyed Sannai, Karnataka. The most dramatic evidence came from Kanagahali. The discoveries at that site included a broken relief sculpture showing a king and a queen flanked by female attendants. An inscription in Brahmi letter read Ranyo Asoka, and that means King Asoka. Consider the following. Which of the above features of Mahayana Buddhism? So, Mahayana Buddhism, this one is correct. Trading of path, this one is image worship, and this one, though all the statements are correct. With reference to forced labor, Visti in India during the Gupta period, which one of the following statements is correct? It was considered a source of income for the state, a sort of tax paid by the people. This one is the correct answer. Building Kalyana Mandapaj was a notable feature in temple construction in the kingdom of Kalyana Mandapaj. This is Vijayanagar School. Vijayanagar school, more than one mandaps were built in each temple. These mandaps, Kalyana Mandap, the central mandap came to be known as Kalyana Mandapas. So these mandapas, this is a central mandap. With reference to cultural history of India, which one of the following is the correct description of the term Paramitaj? Paramitaj is a perfection whose attainment led to Bodhisattva path. With reference to the scholars literatures of ancient India, consider the following statements. This one is incorrect. Statement first is incorrect, second is incorrect, because Amar Shimma belongs to the court of Chandragupta II. By elimination, we can also choose third also. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statements. Religious history. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. Consider the following events in the history of India. Which one of the following phrases defines the nature of the Hundi is generally referred to in the source of the post Harsa period. Hundi is a not recording a deposit made by a person. The amount deposited can be claimed in another place by presenting the record of the deposit. So, ये bill of exchange. With reference to the history of India, the term Kulyavappa and Dronavappa denotes measurement of land, with reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. Actually, Bilsa, Madhya Pradesh, Girinagar, Gujarat, Sthaneshwara, Uttar Pradesh. This one is incorrect because Sthaneshwara is located in Haryana, not in Uttar Pradesh. And this Dwar Samudra is also incorrect because Hoshala dynasty used to rule from Dwar Samudra, also known as Helibid, located in Karnataka. आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था Helibid, Belur, Karnataka. With reference to the period of Gupta dynasty in ancient India, the town Ghantasala, Kadura and Chaul were well known as. So these are known as port handling foreign trades. With reference to cultural history of India, consider the following pairs. This one is correct. B is the correct answer. Because during Vedic age, there was a lot of emphasis on ritual and sacrifices. This type of excessive ritualism produced a natural reaction in the form of religion, Shramana religion, etc. So Sramanas were recruited from all people, irrespective of caste and creed. That's it. ये आपके प्रीवियस ईयर के एमसीक्यूज थे. इनका पूरा पीडीएफ आपको नीचे लिंक में मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब whatever you want to do, but please read and remember these questions. Read again and again so you can remember these questions. These are very, very important. All the best. Good luck.